Today you will learn how to make a pattern swatch in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. Now let's start the video. First thing first, let's create a new document first. Now I will create some shapes. Then I will convert them into a pattern swatch. You can draw any shapes of your choice. Here are 3 simple shapes with different fill colors. Now select all shapes using selection tool. Go to Object, Pattern and select Make. You will see the pop-up message that the new pattern has been added to Swatches panel. Click OK. A basic pattern has been created. Now here is the pattern option box where you can edit your pattern as you want. Add the name of your pattern. Here you can adjust the type of pattern. You can use grid, bricks and hex designs. I think grid is looking perfect. You can also adjust the width of the pattern. Pattern height can also be changed easily. You can also increase or decrease the number of copies. I suggest you to play with these different options to better understand the pattern design. Click Close button when you think your pattern is ready. You can see your pattern is available in Swatches panel. Click Done button. Now you can delete these shapes. Let's check the pattern now. Go to Swatches panel and select the pattern. Grab selection tool and edit the shapes as you want. The pattern will look perfect on it. So I hope you have learned how to make a pattern swatch in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.